Hey, this is Ryan, and today we're going to continue with the streaming tutorial. And what we'll be doing is streaming batches of data, or loading the data in chunks. The file that we're going to be using will be in this folder. So if we did %fsls and paste that, this will show us the files that we're going to use. So as you can see, these are all JSON files. And we've got about 50 of them. And in each JSON file, we have, I think, two fields here, the time and the action, if it's open or closed. So to initialize the stream, we'll define our input path. Okay, then we'll define our schema. So let's copy this. And here you're probably going to get an error. And yep, here we go. Structure type is not defined. So there's a couple PySpark libraries that we'll have to import. And on my GitHub, you can grab these right here. We're going to be importing the structure type, structure field, timestamp type, and string type. And so if we try this one again, it should work. There we go. And next, let's try copying this one. So we're going to set the schema of the JSON data. And our max file per trigger will be 1. And we're gonna group our data, and we need to define a window. So going back over here, I think for the sake of completeness, if you just copied this function, we'll import all the libraries. So we shouldn't be missing anything. So now let's try that again. Okay, no errors. So to start the streaming job, let's copy this line of code. We're going to write the stream, format the memory. Query name will be counts. The output mode will be complete. All the counts should be in the table. And start, so shift enter. So the stream is initializing. Okay, now that we completed at least one job, if you click on this icon here for counts, then it'll give you a little bit more details. So the batch duration, the last batch was 14 seconds. And while the data is streaming, I guess we can run some SQL queries on it. So if we copy this, %SQL, and shift enter, we're going to select the action. Here's our time and the count. So that's pretty much it. This stream is going to continue for a little while. It's at job 12, and I think it'll go to job 50. It's just going to continuously append data to our table. So that's all I want to show you for now.